In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove footer in Mailchimp if you're cleaning up your email design and want a simpler ending. Adjusting or removing the footer can help. Keep in mind that some footer elements like your physical address and unsubscribe link may be required by email laws and by Mailchimp. I'll show you how to remove the footer content that's optional, and I'll point out what to watch for so you don't run into compliance issues. Start by opening your browser and heading to Mailchimp.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. From the main dashboard, look for the Campaigns area. This is where Mailchimp stores your email drafts and sends. Go ahead and click Campaigns to open your list. Find a draft campaign you want to edit. Choosing a draft is best because it lets you update the design without affecting a sent email. Click the draft to open it. On the campaign screen, look for the option to edit the layout and content, then click Edit Design. This opens the email builder so you can work on individual sections. Inside the builder, scroll all the way down the email until you reach the footer section at the bottom of the canvas. The footer is typically its own block and might include your organization details, permission reminder, and unsubscribe information. Click on the footer section to select it. You should see editing options appear, usually in a side panel and directly on the block. Next, click inside the content within the footer to activate the text editor. When the content is active, you can remove it. Most templates show a trash or delete option for the selected block. Click Delete to remove the footer content from the email. If you only want to remove parts of it, like extra lines or social links, you can select those specific pieces in the editor and delete them, while leaving anything that's required. A quick note, if the delete option is unavailable or you see a notice about required content, that's normal. Mailchimp may enforce certain fields such as your address or an unsubscribe link to keep your campaign compliant with regulations. In those cases, you can still simplify the footer by removing optional text or adjusting styling, but you won't be able to delete mandatory elements entirely. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to your campaign, opened the editor, scrolled to the footer, clicked into its content, and removed it where allowed. Keeping your footer lean and compliant will make your emails look cleaner while still delivering safely to inboxes.